Hi everyone, so we're here at the Standard Maldives. We're about to take you inside this ocean beach villa behind me to the left. It's number 107. As you can see, these are kind of inner island villas, so you get that really nice ocean kind of island vibe. Right, so we'll take you in now through these nice sort of wooden gates and a coral kind of style archway almost there. As you can see, it's very like jungly here, so you really feel tucked away, nice and private. This is the most private side of the island. The other beach villas are on the lagoon side, which is a little bit more open. Whereas here, as you can see, very private outlook. There's just a little island over there, and the coral reef, of course. So here on the decking, you have a pretty large plunge pool here, larger than the ones in the overwater villas here at the Standard. There's sun lounges just below you, and there's a nice hammock over here, which you can sit in and swim. So we'll now take you inside. Some kind of funky coloured table and chairs there. And as you walk in, you can see this huge vaulted ceiling here to the beach villa. Over in the back corner is the cupboard area and a place in here for safe deposit. Also your luggage at the back. Down here is the mini bar, which is really good. They call it a fully stocked mini bar. And it also comes with ukulele, so you can sit and play. Over here we have these nice glass bottles and not plastic bottles, which is great to see, and a Wi-Fi speaker. So double bed there. As I come around the back, this is the activities wall, which is full of free equipment that you can take down to the beach and snorkel with, or just float on the nice pink rubbering. We've got snorkels, masks, everything you'd need. Here in front of me is a big long desk. You can sit and work or order your food or have a coffee in the morning, and more of these great glass water bottles. And I'll take you now through into this bathroom. So super fun bathroom here, disco ball in the middle. The Standard is all about having fun, music, art, colourful, as you can see from the mural on the back wall there. We have the Maldivian style towel rail and a walk-in rainfall shower. And then twin basins here, complete with the toiletries branded by the Standard. So again, quite fun. Rough no more, sorry, shaving kit, that one. Okay, so that's the bathroom. I'm gonna take you back through outside. You'll notice the yellow seating area with a window out to the jungle. And as we come through, you'll see there's access straight down here to the beach. So thanks for watching. Again, we're at the Standard here. This is one of their ocean villa, beach villas. So that's the view of the ocean as opposed to the lagoon view over that side. There's an island. This is the very private side of the island. It feels like nice and relaxed. You can actually come down here and take a little last view of the villa behind me. As you can see, really nice style and look to the villa with that kind of pitched roof and the palm trees rustling behind. So thanks everyone for watching, and let us know if you'd like some more information, and check the comments and description for more. Thank you.